In Word documents, you may actually want a header or a footer that allows you to insert graphics or text at the top or bottom of each page. Header is at the top, footer is at the bottom. A classic example of this might be if you're using electronic letterhead. So let's have a look at how we quickly create a header or a footer. Now you can go to Insert, Header and Footer, but a far easier way is you've got a grey line here. If we double click in the top part of the document, so that represents the margin at the top of the page. So this is the header. We can quickly and easily move between the header and the footer by clicking the Go to Footer or Go to Header button, and each one becomes deactivated when you move to the other. So for example, I'm in the header, so the header's greyed out because I'm already in the header. Next and Previous allows you to move through them in the document as you go along. Now you can click from the drop arrow here, and these are some built-in headers, or you can edit headers, or you can copy and paste. We'll look at the copy and paste in a moment. The same with footers. You can easily insert a page number. So you can see here, you can add it in as the top of the page, the bottom of the page, etc. And have little accent bars that make it look a little bit more professional. You can insert the date and the time and choose a particular format. Choose if you want it to update automatically. Add in some document information, some quick parts if you've got them, pictures, online pictures, Next and Previous, different first page. So for example, if I have a letterhead and I just want to copy and paste the text in there. So there's just a little letterhead, for example. What I might want is for the first page to be different, because if I'm doing a document on the second page, you generally don't want the letterhead. So I'm going to choose different first page. It's going to remove that header and I'll paste it back in again. But what that means is if I double click in the document, if I go Control Enter to insert a page break, and you can see from here the second page is empty, ready for me to put in whatever it is I'm after. You can also have odd and even pages, which is quite useful if you have a binding, for example, and on odd pages you want the page number to be on the left hand side or the page number to be on the right on even pages. I can also go to page number, bottom of the page, and if I choose something like this, it pops it down there, but you'll notice it's only popped it in subsequent pages, not in that first page, because generally you won't want a page number on your first page. So that's working with headers and footers in Microsoft Word.